Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So this was the bonfire night in the UK. I thought I'd record it for you guys as my children were watching it through the window. So in this vlog today, I'm going to show you a very minimal birthday celebration we had for two of my nephews whose birthday was last week. So it's nothing, nothing spectacular. It's just a simple at-home celebration with family. So here I'm making a hot chocolate for myself. I usually like to have a drink when I'm doing my cooking. It just makes the whole process a lot more easier and enjoyable. So I'm making hot chocolate for myself and my husband, obviously. Sorry, I nearly missed the cup there because I'm making the drink and recording with the other hand at the same time.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see.
So we're here in my brother's house now, and I've called my other nephew to come over to celebrate his birthday. So we're all here.
See me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. that you slip in. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
So we all had the pizza together and we enjoyed as a family, and then we ate, and finally we came home, and it was really foggy. So when I got home, I made myself a healthy drink, because obviously we had a lot of junk food in my brother's house. So here I made a very healthy drink with psyllium husk and chia seed, and I've also added a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. So I'm going to let that soak for about 10 minutes and then drink it. And we also had some doi as well, just to calm down the stomach. So this vlog is coming to an end, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and stay safe until next time. Assalamu alaikum.